Encountering transaction error 3000 or server error on ALDI Mobile. You're not alone. This error occurs when ALDI's server fails to process your transaction, typically when adding funds. It's usually due to server overloads, payment gateway issues, or internal bugs on ALDI's side. While ALDI has made improvements, the error persists, especially during peak times. It is not a user error, but an issue on ALDI's servers that prevents online transactions. Don't panic. The good news is the error is not chargeable in most cases, but repeated failures might lead to temporary locks. Let's explore some effective workarounds to get your account funded. Try switching devices. Use the ALDI mobile website on a desktop computer instead of the mobile app. Ensure a stable internet connection. Weak Wi-Fi can increase latency. Use a 4G or 5G connection. Clear the app cache on your mobile device, or try using incognito mode in your browser. Call ALDI Mobile Support while attempting the transaction online. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version. These methods have helped many users successfully complete their transactions. If problems persist, consider contacting customer support.